put your favorite song and you will dance on it. Yes, you will dance on it. So this becomes exercise for 1 minute. The next is R. What is R? Reading. You should read newspaper or any book for just 1 minute. You can read that. It's very helpful to you. Yes, you will get knowledge very much. So you should read book, storybook, newspaper or anything for just 1 minute. And the last thing, not the least, S. What is S? Scribing. It's writing. You should write your daily journal, gratitude journal. What are your goals for the day on your table or on your board? You should write down your goals and you should follow down that goals, your timetable. This is S. Scribing. You should scribe. You should write your journey for the day. Yes. And this 6 minutes will make your day very productive, very happy, very playful. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.